Our reporter Paul Gilmore is there for us. Paul, a very good afternoon to you. And you've got some breaking news to bring us, first of all.
Yes, Joe, that breaking news concerns injuries. And ahead of this game, of course, Arsenal have had a few of those problems this season. And I could just show you here that one of the players who has been out with an injury has been out since the March international break when he injured his knee playing for Italy, Odegaard Calafiori. He is here and he is training with his Arsenal teammates ahead of this crunch semi-final second leg in Paris, where Arsenal and these players know that they have to go and overturn that narrow deficit from the first leg in North London. So that is good news for Mikel Arteta. It gives him another option that Calafiori is in the squad. Just how much and how ready he is for involvement, we will hear from Mikel Arteta later in Paris. My colleague Gary Cottrell will be speaking to him about that. Elsewhere, I know Jurrien Timber's had his injury concerns recently. Mikel Arteta described his knock and as not being confident of him playing in recent games as recently as this week. Well, Timber is there. He walked out alongside Martin Odegaard, who also had a bit of an issue on Saturday against Bournemouth when he limped off. Both players seemingly looked okay and both involved in this training session.
That's what I've been saying. Timber, Odegaard, they'll be fit. Leave Arteta with his mind game. So, as we be my dear Arsenal lovers.